Every few years, a wave of technology fundamentally changes how we work. The personal computer, the internet, the smartphone, we're now riding the next, and perhaps biggest, wave yet. The age of intelligent augmentation. Forget about robots taking all our jobs. The real story is how technology is becoming a powerful partner, amplifying our skills and taking the grind out of work. By 2026, the line between human and digital coworker will be blurrier than ever. My name is David, and today we are counting down the 10 technology trends that will be deeply integrated into our work lives by 2026. These are NC5 fantasies. They are tools being built right now that will make us more productive, creative, and strategic than we ever thought possible. Let's dive in. Trend number 1, democratize generative AI. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the trend you've already started using, democratize generative AI. This is the superstar. It is the move from AI as a novelty to AI as a standard feature in every piece of software you use. What it is, imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just complete your sentences but can write entire reports, create marketing images, generate code, and analyze complex datasets all from a simple conversation. This is about breaking down specialized skill barriers. Microsoft Copilot. This isn't just for developers, it's being embedded directly into Microsoft 365. In Word, it drafts documents. In Outlook, it summarizes your inbox and writes emails. In Excel, it analyzes trends and creates graphs from a text prompt. Adobe Firefly, integrated directly into Photoshop and Illustrator. It allows designers to generate stunning images, remove objects, or extend a photo's background just by describing what they want. ChatGPT and Google Gemini, the pioneers. They're becoming the universal starting point for research, brainstorming, and content creation. So, how can we make use of them? This frees us from the blank page problem. It automates the first draft, whether that's text, a design, or a line of code. It doesn't replace the expert. It makes the expert 10x faster, allowing them to focus on strategy, refinement, and creative direction. Trend number 2, workflow automation at scale, RPA plus AI. At number 2, we have workflow automation at scale. You've heard of robotic process automation software bots that mimic simple tasks, but by fusing it with AI, these bots are about to get a massive IQ boost. This is about automating not just one task, but entire multi-step processes that involve judgment and decision-making. Think of an invoice that needs to be verified, approved, logged in an ERP system, and paid all automatically. Some of you might already experienced a few of them already, such as UPath, a leader in RPA, now infused with AI and computer vision. Their bots can see what's on a screen, understand documents, and make context-aware decisions. Like processing a loan application by extracting data from various documents and flagging inconsistencies. Automation anywhere. Their AI-powered bots can handle complex customer service workflows, like verifying a user's identity and pulling their entire history from multiple databases for a support agent. It is the ultimate tool for eliminating digital drudgery. It frees human workers from soul-crushing, repetitive computer work. Our role shifts from doing the process to managing it, handling the exceptions, improving the rules, and focusing on tasks that require human empathy and complex problem solving. Trend number 3, AI augmented development, low code or no code. Number 3 is a direct enabler of this automation. AI augmented development, often known as low code or no code. This is about empowering the citizen developer, the marketing manager, the operations analyst, the person who knows the problem best but doesn't know how to code the solution. Visual, drag and drop tools, powered by AI, that allow non-programmers to build custom applications, websites, and automated workflows. Microsoft Power Platform. Tools like Power Apps let you build a mobile inventory app by connecting data sources visually. Power Automate lets you create workflows, like automatically saving email attachments to cloud storage. Salesforce Lightning Platform allows businesses to build custom CRM apps tailored to their unique sales process without writing a line of code. OpenAI's GTTS and Assistance API. Now anyone can build a custom, ask-specific AI chatbot for their company's internal knowledge base with no coding required. This drastically reduces the IT backlog. It democratizes innovation. If you have a problem, you can build a tool to solve it in hours, not months. It shifts the IT department's role from builders to enablers who provide the secure platforms for others to create on. Trend 4, the augmented connected workforce, while trends 1-3 focus on knowledge workers. Number 4 is for the frontline, the augmented connected workforce. This is about putting a digital supervisor right in the field with every worker, using augmented reality AR glasses, smart wearables, and AI to provide real-time information, visual instructions, and remote expert assistance to workers in manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. Microsoft HoloLens 2, used by companies like Boeing to guide technicians through complex wiring assemblies, overlaying digital schematics onto the physical plane. A remote expert can see what the worker sees and draw arrows directly into their field of view. Google Glass Enterprise Edition 2, used in logistics by companies like DHL, which displays picking instructions directly in a warehouse worker's line of sight, freeing their hands and increasing accuracy and speed. Upskill, a software platform that delivers AR work instructions to devices like HoloLens, guiding workers through each step of a process. This reduces errors to near zero, cuts training time from weeks to days, and allows a single senior expert to support dozens of junior workers remotely. It captures invaluable institutional knowledge that would otherwise retire with experienced staff. Trend 5, platform engineering now. All these powerful tools need a foundation. That's number 5, platform engineering. Think of this as the IT department building a world-class, self-service internal tech shop for its developers and citizen developers, creating a centralized, curated platform within a company where teams can access the tools, data, and automated infrastructure they need to build and deploy applications quickly and securely. Internal platforms built on Kubernetes and Docker. These are the containerization technologies that let applications run consistently anywhere. Platform engineers use them to build standardized environments. Backstage by Spotify, an open source framework, now supported Bivware Tanzu for building developer portals. It's a one-stop shop catalog for all your company's software tools, APIs, and documentation. For the people building solutions, it means no more waiting for server access or database permissions. It's like having an Amazon. Come for pre-approved, secure tech tools inside your company. This massively accelerates the pace of innovation and ensures everything built is secure and compliant by design. Trend 6, Smart Infrastructure and IoT 2.0. Number 6 connects the physical and digital worlds like never before. Smart Infrastructure and IoT 2.0. This is about giving our buildings, cities, and factories a central nervous system, a network of smart sensors that collect real-time data on everything from temperature and vibration to energy consumption and occupancy, AI, then analyzes this data to make our environment proactive and efficient. Siemens Smart Infrastructure. They create building management systems that use thousands of sensors to optimize energy use in real time, predict when an elevator will need maintenance, and create a safer, more comfortable environment. John Deere. Their farm equipment is covered in sensors and uses AI to analyze soil health on the fly. Applying fertilizer and pesticide only where needed, boosting yields while reducing environmental impact. It creates environments that work for us, offices that adjust lighting and temperature for comfort and efficiency. Factories that can predict a machine failure days before it happens, avoiding costly downtime. It's about moving from reactive maintenance to predictive optimization. Trend number 7, privacy first AI and edge computing. All this data collection raises a critical question. What about privacy? That brings us to number 7, privacy first AI and edge computing. The solution is to process data right where it's created. Instead of sending sensitive data to a massive cloud server, edge AI chips process it locally on the device itself, be it a phone, a camera, or a medical device. Apple, a master of this, features like Face ID and Siri's Hey Siri command process audio and facial data directly on your device. The biometric data never leaves your phone. NVIDIA Jetson, powerful, small AI computers used in manufacturing for real-time quality control. A camera with a Jetson module can inspect products for defects. On the assembly line at high speed, without ever streaming the video to the cloud, Google Tensor chips, powering Pixel phones, enabling advanced photo processing and live translation entirely on device. This means we can get the benefits of AI like personalization and instant analysis without the privacy risks or the lag of sending data back and forth. It enables real-time AI in sensitive fields like healthcare and finance, where data sovereignty is paramount. Trend number 8. AI trust, risk, and security management. AI trism. As AI becomes core to every business decision, we have to be able to trust it. Number 8 isn't a product, it's a framework. AI trust, risk, and security management, or AI TRISM, a set of tools and processes to ensure AI systems are fair, secure, private, reliable, and ethical. It's about making AI auditable and understandable. IBM Watson OpenScale, a platform that monitors AI models in production, detecting and mitigating bias, for example, ensuring a loan approval AI isn't discriminating and explaining why an AI made a particular decision. Able focuses on ensuring AI models deliver measurable business value and are aligned with enterprise goals, not just statistical accuracy. This is the guardrail that allows for responsible adoption. It builds trust with customers, regulators, and the public. Before a company bets its future on an AI, it needs to know the AI isn't biased, hacked, or making up answers. AI Trism makes AI a reliable colleague, not a black box gamble. Trend 9. Continuous Threat Exposure Management. TEM in a fully digital and automated workplace. Cybersecurity is a productivity issue. If the system is down, work stops. That's why number 9 is Continuous Threat Exposure Management, a proactive and continuous cycle of finding, prioritizing, and fixing vulnerabilities in your digital landscape. Berefras can exploit them. Palo Alto Networks Cortex Expanse. It continuously scans a company's entire internet-facing digital attack surface, identifying unknown or misconfigured assets like an unsecured server and flagging them for remediation. Tenable and Qualys provide platforms that constantly scan for vulnerabilities in software and systems, telling IT teams exactly which patches to apply first based on actual risk. This moves us from a reactive patch after the breach mindset to a proactive prevent the breach posture. It ensures the digital tools and automated workflows we rely on are secure and available, creating a stable foundation for work. Trend number 10. Industry Cloud Platforms. Finally, at number 10, we have the trend that brings it all together in a ready-made package. Industry cloud platforms. Instead of buying generic cloud software and spending years customizing it, companies can now adopt platforms pre-built for their specific industry, complete with relevant AI models, data analytics, and compliance tools. Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare comes with built-in tools for managing patient records, ensuring HIPAA compliance, and providing telehealth services right out of the box. Google Cloud for Financial Services includes AI models specifically trained for fraud detection and tools built for banking regulations. Salesforce Industry Clouds. They offer clouds for manufacturing, financial services, and healthcare with pre-built data models and workflows for those sectors. This is the ultimate accelerator. It means a hospital can go digital in months, not years. It provides workers with tools that are immediately relevant to their daily tasks, from a nurse managing patient flow to a banker assessing risk, synthesis, and conclusion. So let's connect the dots. What's the big picture for 2026? It's not about 10 separate trends. It's about a single integrated stack of human augmentation. The foundation, industry cloud platforms, and platform engineering provide the secure, tailored playground. The intelligence, democratized generative AI and AI augmented development give everyone the power to create and analyze. The action, workflow automation, and the augmented connected workforce execute tasks in the digital and physical worlds. The data, smart infrastructure Riot 2.0 and edge computing provide the real-time, private fuel for the AI. The trust, AI Trism and TEM provide the essential guardrails and security to make it all reliable. The common thread? These technologies don't replace us. They handle the tedious, the repetitive, the data-heavy lifting. They amplify our uniquely human skills, creativity, strategic thinking, empathy, and leadership. The future of work isn't human vs machine. It's human and machine working together to solve bigger problems and achieve more than we could alone. The 2026 workplace is being built today. It will be more efficient, more creative, and more responsive. The question for all of us is, how will we adapt? The most successful professionals will be those who learn to partner with these AI tools, leveraging them to free up their time for what truly matters. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Which ones is your company already adopting? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this useful and look into the future helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on the technology that's shaping our world. Thanks for watching. I'm David, and we'll see you in the future.